People might be able to find you on Facebook through your email or phone number, but you can limit all of those, and I'm going to show you how. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can limit who can find you in Facebook. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Facebook app, then click on the top left, the three lines, the burger icon, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, and then you click on settings. Then when you scroll down, you should be able to see audience and visibility, and then you can find how people can find and contact you. So now you can see here, who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address. So for this, you get two options, whether you want to make sure that they can find you through your email address from possible connections, whether friends of friends only can find you through email address, or only friends can find you through email address, or no one at all. It really depends on you, right? So this is how you can limit them. When you put into no one, you'll limit them from searching you through email address at all. But for me, I would like to put in possible connections because I just want people to find me, all right? Even here as well, people with your phone number. So sometimes people can find you through phone number. If you do not want it to happen, just click no one, all right? I want to put it possible connections. So yeah, that's how easily you can limit your search on Facebook, whether through email or phone number, right? So if you do not want people to find you through email or phone number, just click on no one. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.